We brought this in because it is, just as the name implies, it is a good basic paper collection. Now these, there are 48 sheets and they're done in colors. So let me show you what that means. You can see that this is pink and white, a gingham, or yeah, a plaid. And these are single-sided, by the way. And you'll see a large dot as well as an all-over floral, as well as a chevron, kind of some ledger paper, very faint. I'm not sure you can even see that. A tiny tone-on-tone dot. Now that's all in the pink. Now in the red, you're going to see similar things. So here we go with the check, large dots, floral, chevrons, the ledger, a little different this time, and the tone-on-tone dots. We're going to go into the yellows and see the same color combinations, or the same patterns in this color combination. There we go. And the tone-on-tone dots. Then we go into the green. This is a kind of a nice green. It's not terribly lime, but it's certainly more of a medium tone, I would say. So we've got the floral. These are just good, very basic patterns. They're going to go with things. And then, of course, you've got white on the back side. We have a light blue, and I'm trying to flip through these quickly because I'm sure you have the idea by now and what all of them are. And it's nice to have this kind of thing if you need a bridge paper, or you have something that's pretty busy or very much of a focal, maybe a unique stamp or a cutting die that you just want a pattern behind, and these will work very well for that. So this is more in the blue, the other was a lighter tone, and then we go into the purple, and after the purple, I hope you're seeing this because I'm just really flipping, and we have the black. So 8 colors and 6 sheets of every single one of those colors, all designed to work really well with any papers you might have. So Basics is the name, and we're happy to be carrying this. I think it's a really useful 12 by 12 collection.